Good morning, myself Victor Uniform 3 Alpha Victor Echo. In this video, I'll explain how to make this type of box using PVC pipe from this PVC pipe. First of all, you have to cut two pieces of PVC pipe, one a larger one and another a smaller one. The larger one for the top cover and the smaller one for the actual box. Now heat it with some fire and press it under a cardboard or a plywood. Now make it a sheet. Now cut its template for making box using a sharp knife. The template is given on the description of this video. Now cut out the excess points, the notches where we need to fold. Now what we need is a Nicrome wire. Nicrome wire. Stretch it between two screws which are fixed on a plywood and allow about 1 ampere current pass through the Nicrome wire. The Nicrome wire will heat up, and while heating up, as you see in the video, touch the wire on the PVC and the hot wire make it somewhat melt. Now bend it like this, bend it and switch off the current, so that will make it cool and it will become rigid. Similarly, bend the other parts of the PVC according to the line drawn on the PVC board. Bend it like this. You have to do it gently. You have to do it gently and switch off the current when you need it. So otherwise the melting will be more. And again, in a similar manner, you have to make the top cover also. It need only two bendings, so it is completed now. The top cover and the bottom box. So put it together, it will be a nice box. It will be a nice box like this. I think this video will be inspiring for you for making many such things from the PVC pipe. Thank you for watching.